Hello everyone, my name is Maria and I'm going to be showing you how to create a logo in Photoshop. So I am making a stained glass logo. I have a little dragon inside of a stained glass window frame. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look up window frame, go into Tools, Usage Rights, and click Labeled for Reuse with Modification. I'm going to scroll down until I see something that I like. I like this one, so I'm going to click on this, I'm going to download it, and I'm going to put it into Photoshop. Then I'm going to get a stained glass dragon. As I said before, Tools, Usage Rights, and Labeled for Reuse with Modification. And I'm going to scroll down and see if there's something I like in here. I like this one, so I'm going to put this inside Photoshop. Now I put Baden Academy Stained Glass on the bottom. You can do this by clicking text, making a text box, and then down here you see this little T with a curved line under it. You click that and you can change how curved it is. Also put multiple layers so that I have a text, two different shapes, and then I have these little lines inside. Next thing I do is I get the paint bucket and I pick some colors that I want to fill in here. So I'm going to go to the correct layer, layer 2, and I'm going to pick some colors to put inside. Alright, I'm going to do this teal, and I'm going to turn the opacity down so it looks a little bit more transparent and like stained glass. I'm going into layer 2, what we were in before, and I'm clicking this little eye, and it makes all the lines and everything go away so you can see more clearly what you're doing. So I have a transparent teal. I'm going to fill in 2 of these blocks. And now I'm going to look for something a little bit brighter, like a pinky rosy red. Perfect. So I'm going to fill that in right there, and one up there. Let's do a green, darker green. Love it. Okay, gonna put that there, that there. And last, I'm gonna put a yellow. Oh, maybe a little bit darker. Ooh, my bad. And I'm gonna do purple. A bit darker. Perfect. And then I can go back on layer 2 and I can click the little eye and everything comes back. You could also do some different colors if you wanted. So the next step is to save as PNG. That. Click OK. And that is it.